Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're looking to build a great website without getting lost in technical details, you're in the right place. This is SimDif, the website builder, that's just as easy to use on your phone as it is on your computer. Today we're looking at a special feature, Kai, your personal AI assistant. It's designed to help you create an even better website, step by step. You'll find Kai ready to assist via this little egg icon right here in the editor. What's great about Kai is that it works with your existing ideas and content, helping you make them even stronger. Clicking on that egg opens up Kai. We see a series of steps Kai can help with. For this homepage, there are a few extra options. Choosing Start with Kai begins a helpful guided tour. Kai explains its approach. It's not here to just write generic text for you. Instead, it helps you improve your own content, making sure it's original and useful to your visitors. The more of your own thoughts you put in, even if it's just a rough draft, the better Kai can assist. The first piece of advice is about reviewing your homepage. It's all about making sure visitors quickly understand what your site is about. Some good tips here on highlighting important information and making your content easy to scan. And that's really important because seeing your site from a visitor's point of view can make a big difference. Back in Kai's main menu, the initial tour is done. Now it's time for the first task, review the content of my homepage. This step helps you see how your page might look to visitors and search engines. Kai will summarize your page and point out the main topics. And there it is! Kai has read the Vintage Music Store page and gives an overview, even breaking down key topics. This is fantastic for checking if your main points are coming across clearly. If you're happy, or when you've made improvements, clicking Next moves on. But what if you're not sure what else to add? Well, Kai can scan for missing topics to give you some fresh ideas. With step 1 complete, it's on to step 2. Scan my homepage for missing topics. This is where Kai can help you expand. Kai will suggest related topics or ideas for content you might consider adding to your homepage. Many users are genuinely surprised at how well Kai seems to understand their project, even without any prompting. And here are the suggestions: a featured artists section, customer testimonials, upcoming events. These are all excellent ways to enrich the homepage for this music store. Kai even suggests using specific SimDif features that would work well when you've considered these. Next takes you to the following step. Now, think about how you browse a website. Those section titles? They're often the first things a visitor will scan to find what they need. So naturally, step 3 is improve the titles of my blogs. Clear, compelling titles can make a huge difference. Here, Kai will offer 3 alternative titles for each of your content blocks, using the context of your entire page to make sure they fit well. For our first block, Kai suggests alternatives like Discover Amazing Instruments for Every Music Lover. That's much more engaging. You can choose the best option for each block. Once done, clicking Apply makes the changes. And just like that, back in the SimDif editor, the block title is updated. It's a seamless process. To continue with Kai, the egg icon is tapped again. And if you're not quite happy with a suggestion, many of these steps can be repeated. It's not just about what's on your page. Kai also suggests page and search engine titles to help people actually find you online. We're making great progress. Step 4 is suggest a good title for my homepage. This step helps improve 2 important titles: the page title that visitors see at the top of your homepage, and the search engine title, which appears in Google search results. Kai gives options for both. For the title for search engines, something like Shop Vintage Music Instruments in New Orleans Now is chosen. It's clear and action-oriented. Clicking Apply confirms it. This takes us straight to the metadata for this page settings in SimDif. And look, the new search engine title is already there. This is so helpful for getting noticed by search engines. Then it's back to Kai. A well-crafted title and meta description can really bring more people to your site directly from those search results. Next up, step 5. Write an engaging meta description. This is that little bit of text under your title in Google search results. You've built a good foundation with your homepage content. And now Kai will help you choose a meta description that will encourage people to click through to your site. Kai offers a few options. For this example, the original is kept, but you could pick any of Kai's improved suggestions. Then Apply saves the choice. And again, we're taken to the metadata settings where the description is updated. It's all about making your site look appealing, even before someone visits. Thinking about the bigger picture, Kai can even suggest entirely new pages to help complete your site and offer more to your visitors. Which brings us to step 6. Scan my site for missing pages. Perhaps there's content your audience would love, but you haven't thought to create a page for it yet. Kai will suggest additional pages you might consider adding if they're relevant to what you do, looking at your whole site for context. And here we go. Kai suggests music lessons, artist spotlights, and an events calendar. For a music store in New Orleans, these are spot-on ideas. After reviewing, Next continues. Now let's talk about your site's overall identity. A good site title isn't just text. It defines your brand and helps visitors instantly recognize you. This is part of optimizing your website's identity. So step 7 is suggest a good site title. This title appears at the top of every page and should quickly express what your site is all about. Kai gives a few alternatives. Our current lead sheet music shop is quite clear, so it's kept for this demo and apply is clicked. And there it is, displayed on the site. Back to Kai for the next step in defining the online identity. You can also tell Google exactly what your site name is, which helps with brand recognition and search results. So step 8 is suggest a good site name. This is specifically for Google. While not visible on your site, it can appear in Google search results. SimDif automatically adds this to your website's code. Again, Lead Sheet Music Shop is a solid choice. Clicking Apply takes us to the metadata settings, where you can see the site name and Google field is correctly filled. Just one more step with Kai. If you're thinking about a custom web address, Kai can even help you find a custom domain name idea for your site. The final step in this Kai journey, number 9, help me find a domain name. This is optional, of course. If you're happy with your free simdif.com address or already have a domain, you can skip this. Otherwise, clicking Start explores options. Kai offers some creative domain name ideas based on the site, like vintageinstrumentsnola.com. If you find one you love, you can even purchase it through SimDif's Your Name service. For now, Keep Current Domain is selected. And Kai leaves us with a very important reminder. Don't forget to publish. All these fantastic changes need to go live to benefit your visitors and your search engine ranking. Look at that! All steps completed with Kai's help. We've refined content, improved how search engines see the site, and strengthened its identity. Now, after closing Kai, the most important step is to hit that Publish button. And that's how Kai, your AI assistant in SimDif, helps you build a more effective and engaging website. It's like having an expert by your side, every step of the way. Ready to give it a try? Visit simdif.com and start building your amazing website today.